Ended up on her. She ended up falling. She ended up on her elbows and on her butt. Then he threw Ed McCabe out. We were all sitting there screaming and crying. And then he grabbed me and threw me out of the house.
Are you okay, Miss Brown?
Yeah, it's just so hard. It'll be fun.
Outside the courtroom, Denise Brown uses her sister's murder to raise the issue of domestic abuse.
We need your help to go out there and speak about domestic violence as well, so that this won't happen to your families.
And she raises money for the new Nicole Brown Simpson Charitable Foundation.
We want to grant out funds to educational centers, educational programs at schools, long-term shelters, existing shelters that need monies to survive.
Mr. Darden.
Can we continue with the videotape, Your Honor?
What?
Prosecutors will turn to Denise Brown again as they try to establish Simpson's mood on the night of the killings. But is this the face of a man hours before committing double murder? To prove O.J. Simpson guilty of double murder, prosecutors need to show he had time to commit the crime. They establish a timeline with witnesses who saw Simpson the afternoon and night of June 12th and with testimony about a barking dog. Simpson's timeline has a hole in it, a little more than an hour when his whereabouts can't be accounted for. That's when prosecutors say Simpson killed Nicole Brown Simpson and Ronald Goldman. Simpson's attorneys say their client was on his front lawn at the time, practicing golf. Simpson house guest and aspiring actor Brian Cato Kalin begins the prosecution's timeline testimony.
Raise your right hand, please. You just saw
He tells prosecutor Marcia Clark he first saw O.J. Simpson at the Simpson estate around 2 p.m. on June 12th.
Did he mention to you any plans that he had for later on that day?
Yes.
And what was that?
There was a recital, the dance recital of Sydney's daughter with Nicole.
And what time did he plan to go to that?
5 o'clock recital.
Did he talk to you or mention anything to you about Nicole during that conversation?
It was, they weren't together.
How did that come up?
It was conversation. I mean, I was reading a paper and it would come up about